Alright, let me show you. Alright, this probably won't make any sense.
The game is on.
Alright, if anyone can explain to me what this means, no public parking in a parking area. Okay, they're just locking their door. But I've always parked here, now it says no public parking, but what else would it be for? I don't understand. All others will be towed at owner's expense. I don't understand.
I've been out here during the day, but
It's just pure darkness everywhere. I'm gonna get you, Katie. Just keep circling away. It is, what time is it, Katie?
7:54.
7:54. We have 8 hours. 8 hours? We have 4 hours and 6 minutes until 2019. Grazie tante.
Like, you know.
Yeah.
But, so I was going to text you about that, but then I was like, nope, it takes too much work to make sure it sends.
Friends, I'm stuck. There's a guy standing directly behind my car, and he won't move. And I don't want to ask him to move, but I think I'm gonna have to because I think there's something mentally up with him. Oh my gosh, what do I do? Half my face is seen.
Who's this?
Glasses.
Oh. Yeah, I think they're a little big, but they'll work.
Looks good. It's interesting that they put the O through the 1. Hi. Sam, where are you going? Need to put on comfy pants. This is Diagon Alley. It's Fred and George's Weasley shop. Where did you see my skate bag? Oh, it's right here. Beautiful. Oh, you're so cute. Strawberry daiquiri. Just try a little bit. Don't want to start the night too crazy. 8, 7, 6, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year!
Sammy.
Well, she's so excited. It's her first New Year.
It's our first New Year's 2019.
Happy New Year. Put her up here. Put her up here.
What?
Rebecca, put her up here. Come here, Sammy. Yay.
2019.
Yeah. Woof, woof. Woof, woof. Good food.
Because I forced her to.
Cheers.
Happy New Year.
Cheers.
Whoop, boop, boop. What do you want to do in 2019? Get well? That sounds like a good idea. I have, I think, like 13. Get new headshots. Learn basic conversation in Italian. Learn all 3 splits. Finish writing my film. Book 1 great paid role. Get a dog, question mark. Learn an ice skate jump. Decide on my business plan. Sing somewhere. Read 3 books.
Sounds good.
Guys, it's only 10 minutes into the new year. You can't just go to sleep. You have to accomplish your goals. There's so much to do. I can't take in his face. But she's like, no, look at me. I am the cute one. Okay. Oh, I'll delay. There, good job. Yep.
Can now.
January 2nd, just spent some time with Sabina. It was really nice. I miss spending more time with her. I don't know where the front camera is. Is it there? I don't know, maybe, because the iPhone X isn't really like clear. No, I'm sorry I missed your call. I'm still figuring out how to use my phone. Oops. How do you cancel? Okay, you're still talking at you.
You're bad.
It's not my fault. You said.
Well, I didn't know what was wrong. How do I? Okay. So now I want to put one of those emoji things. Where are they?
So press the little smiley face
There's a smiley face.
next to the microphone.
Next to the microphone, there's a smiley face.
There you go.
Oh,
There's all your emoji
I
options.
can't see what they're doing.
What do you want?
Oh, I want to see what I got. What's all this stuff? I can't see them. Oh, shoot. There's tons, huh? Isn't this
You're only
fun?
on the first level too. There's like 8 other levels.
There's 8 other levels. Oh, I want to be able to see them. I can't see them. Oh, there's a. Is that a shoe? Okay, so seeing you. So I want to put something cute.
A shoe?
Well, I don't think a shoe, but I just thought it looked like when I can't see it there. I could see it when it was.
You want to put some glasses and be funny?
Seeing you. Yeah, put glasses. Do we have glasses? See, but they're so small. How am I gonna? Okay.
What are you doing, buddy? Where's she? I have your dog. If you want him, he can be safely returned from my house.
But it's not like I was starting to do a couple months ago.
Yeah, you good boy?
And Tim's been
You
doing
good boy? What are you doing?
And what we realized was that our only time together was dinner. And then we just sat and watched TV until we fell asleep. So he's making it a point to take over.
It's January 4th. Just met with Tara to discuss things for the future, plans and stuff. She gave me, once again, a lot of good things to think about. And now I am just home and it's pouring. And I think it's time to put the Christmas decorations away.
They've got to be hiding out somewhere. Hey, it's the morning cruise. They've been harvest.
See, that is not what I imagined.
Last year,
We look kind of nice in this light.
I don't know about that.
You look cute. Your eyes are sparkling. Oh, I didn't even notice. I look like a raccoon because I put too much eyeshadow on. Hello friends, I'm here waiting for Lisa to come so that way I can tape a couple video auditions I have today. Just came from Sarasota because I had an audition with a conservatory. It's really fancy, I doubt I'll get in. But anywho, oop, there's Tom's movie. Figured, you know, I have the whole studio to myself right now except for the people who are working next door. And show you around. There's the stage. There's the main area. People working, making noises. And then you go into this room, and this is where we do self-taping sessions. You can pull down the blue or keep it gray. And then we have this little area, the controls, the security. Ooh, we can watch and wait for Lisa to come. Very nice. And then you go through here. You have bathrooms and pictures, and then the kitchen. And so normally when I go to a fancy audition, I dress up a little bit. This time around I didn't. I got my boots. Because I really just wanted to feel like myself on the stage and not feel like someone else, even though you're acting. To feel most comfortable in my t-shirt, pants, and boots. Happy January 12th. Nika! Look at that! Dun, dun, dun. See, let me give a proper tour, everybody. It's big. It's red now.
Robert, it's red.
How long does it stay red on?
Probably a minute, two.
Oh, yeah, wow. What's wrong with it? You want to use the walker?
Yeah, let me sit on the walker.
Hold on, let me go to the door first. And then you can have it.
Get your hand, I guess. Oh, okay, all right. There's one down here, too. Monday. Happy birthday. Thank you. Happy birthday.
Nice, it's really good.
Cottage cheese?
Cottage cheese
It doesn't
custard.
really have cottage cheese. Is it?
Oh yeah, real cottage cheese. And you get you put them in the in the oven bowls, but you put a little bit of sweetener, the dietary sweetener, and it's a great little custard. It's nice.
There should be a part that I taped easy.
Oh,
Just open it.
gotta be kidding. More jelly beans? Oh, God.
Oh my God, open it.
One. This is a year's supply. Two. Three more bags of jelly beans. Oh, God.
So I ordered them. I ordered it on Amazon.
Right.
I thought I was ordering one. They sent me 4. So you're welcome.
I don't know where it's gonna be. It's somewhere right around the countryside area.
I think that's the button. That's where the button's at.
I mean, we don't go to Sam's very often, but we go and buy a lot of items at Sam's. A lot of cheaper than Sam's Club than they are anywhere else.
So you still want your Sam?
What are you doing?
Like, that's where food comes from.
My dad, when we ate, he didn't like us leaning over our food. Yeah, I'd say something about what happened at school. My dad would say, quit murdering the King of English.
Good morning, friends. It is January 31st. It's I can't be too loud because my mom's bedroom is right there. Let's walk over. Anywho, I have not really filmed a lot this month. I was just busy, lots of auditions, and not a lot of like exciting things to film. So look at my hat. It's very cold. It's 47 degrees out this morning. It is like 8:10 or something like that. I haven't done my makeup yet for the day, but because I usually do that in the car. Quick updates. Weird things going on, I guess, for my video diary is one, I have deleted Facebook and Instagram from my phone, and so far don't miss it. And two, just lots of auditions this month. But look how beautiful the day is. It's very lovely. This is my backyard, in case you've never seen it. I like to walk in it a lot at like night and stuff. So there's a big spider web in the corner. I have actually been taking the stairs lately, but we're on the top floor, so it takes forever. So here we go, and I always get out of breath by the time I get up there.
Dishes, flowers, light, and chandelier.
You've seen that intro way too many times.
Yep.